Kublai pi baru kini gilong ki kubor bam takasngi. Umentri rongba ke jelau konrat ke sangma haka ascent hajar arpendriu ke bela pelong hamati mau diang lo sam ya ke cek sanpau hajar tingka marwei syagi hynñiew ki kyrtong ki bela pas ya ke UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination. Konrat loong ba ke CM aspire program katemu ban ai jingi kai jing peniat linti ba jingi rapisai ki samla ki ba kwa ban ya khuni ki examen UPSC but ki we ki competitive examination. Hagani kasungi umenju rangba ula plepat baru ya ke Digital Learning Lab jong ke Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute layadon lang u Director General Kamati ba Cyril Dingdo but u Director Swapnil Tambe.
First of all, I take this opportunity to congratulate Marty for taking this very, very important and a very noble step forward in really giving a direction to the vision and the idea that we have all been thinking about and trying to achieve in the past many, many years. As correctly mentioned, that the kind of results and the number of individuals who could have passed the UPSC and other national competitive exams could have been much, much higher for the state of Meghalaya. Simply because we have the kind of talent that is required. There is no dearth of talent. But as correctly mentioned by every speaker before me, the problem most likely lies in providing that ecosystem, in bringing the stakeholders together, creating the correct environment, guiding our students and the aspirants in the correct way, and helping them to be able to achieve that goal at a personal level and also the goal for us as a state. That they are converting this vision now into actionable plan and steps that we can move forward with. And obviously we realize that once we do that, we need to back it up with the full support and resources to be able to make that goal happen, to be able to move forward. And means, why are we sitting here today? That's just, I just wanted to share what happens in our small discussions and rooms that we are in, and we talk about these things. And the most important part, I'll tell you, when we do those kind of things, is to then let the team work. Minimum interference. And that's why you will not see me much out here, trust me. I believe that you set the goal and the vision. You put the team and you allow the team to work. That is how things happen.